In today's video, we're going to talk about a fairly simple but very underrated shortcut on a Windows computer. It is the Windows key and the pause break key on your keyboard. If you press this key combination, you will be taken to a screen where you're able to view all of your system-specific information such as RAM, availability, or processor type, and also your network name and configuration. So let's take a look. So again, it's the Windows key and the pause break key on your keyboard. So this gives you all sorts of information about your computer, your Windows version, your processor type and speed, as well as your available RAM and computer network name. So there's quite some useful stuff in this screen. You can also access Device Manager if you're having problems with USB devices or anything like that. So, pretty neat little trick to have in your arsenal. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll see you next week with another one. Bye.